Wondering about what could be done with these whole bunch of dried unused color pens? Here's some tips and tricks for your little ones to play with. Just stay tuned till the end. Hey guys, myself Priya'z and you are watching my channel Learning with Funny Activities. Today I'm gonna share with you how I created a sensory bin for my little one. So for this DIY tutorial, all you need is some unused color pens. Make sure to detach its lid front as well as back. Now take a craft knife and cut according to the desired length you want. I like my tubes to be of this length. And now the fun part begins. You can take any of the sensory stuffs like rice, pebbles, sand, etc. But I like this mixture of sago and rice. It not only suits your eyes but also your toddler's hands. Simply dig in through the center of the mixture, hide few different colors of tubes and put the rest in different bowls. And within a second, your toddler will understand the game you want them to play. This mixture can also be utilized for free play activity or pretend play activity. Here actually she is preparing pudding for her daddy. Now for practicing fine motor activity, just pour some water in the container, throw all the color tubes into it and let your tots grasp it with toothpicks. For a few seconds they will be chasing the tubes, but after that, goal achieved. Ugh, it's quite messy, but trust me, we had lots of fun and my little one loved to explore how the tubes actually floats on the water. Okay guys, do let me know which activity was your favorite. Do comment below cause I love to hear from you guys. And if you are a new viewer and watching this video for the first time, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all our weekly video notifications. See you next time. Till then, bye-bye.